Singapore's latest offering to its tourists is a pretty pink museum of ice cream. Singapore's tourism introduced this attraction after COVID-19. Singapore has made tourist visitors easier to obtain and ease entry for fully vaccinated visitors. This is Singapore's first ice cream museum where tourists can relive their childhood. This museum features 14 multisensory installations with sweet treats. Visitors will also have access to museum guides. GB Srithar, Regional Director, Singapore Tourism Board, said from January to June, Singapore welcomed nearly 2.19 lakhs Indians, mainly tourists. Indians form the second largest number of visitors behind Indonesia this year. We expected 4 million visitors to Singapore this year.